This video will provide a demonstration of how iCentralize allows you to manage your users and groups for your iCentralize subscription. Once you've logged into iCentralize as an administrative level user, you'll notice the two administration options located at the bottom of the My Account screen, named Groups and Users. Groups in iCentralize allow subscribers to designate names that may represent customers or departments. Groups are the key mechanism that will allow a subscriber to organize data collected by iCentralize. In most cases, subscribers will utilize groups to indicate customers. If we click on the Groups link, we'll notice a list of all of the groups that we've created in the system, as well as a link at the top of the page, Create New Group, and a finder that allows us to type in part or all of a group name and help filter our search results. When creating a new group or editing an existing group, iCentralize allows you to determine which iCentralize modules you'd like to have active for that group. This is important if you have a customer that is not using Sage ACPAC, for example, and you don't want to unnecessarily utilize your Sage ACPAC module licensing for that particular group. If we go back to the My Account page, we can select User Administration. User Administration works along the same principle as Group Administration. You can create new users with the link at the top, or edit an existing user by clicking this link. Users have basic information such as email address, password, first and last name. You can also designate whether or not a user is active. An inactive user may be a user that is no longer with your organization, or a user that is not going to be accessing iCentralize for an extended period. This is entirely up to you and can be changed at any time. You can also designate whether or not the user is an administrative level user. Administrative level users have access to the group and user administration. From user and group administration, it's important to note that that user may then allocate or assign a group to various user accounts. From this point, you can also select from a list of all of the groups that you have in the system and determine if this user should be able to see or should not be able to see certain groups. This may be helpful if you have subcontractors that are working with only a few of your customers and you don't want to expose your entire customer list to that subcontractor. Thank you for watching this video demonstration of iCentralize. For more information, please visit www.consolidatedsoftware.com.